Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a tactical flashlight by Olight, the Warrior Ultra. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user manual, a holster, an MCC3 USB magnetic charging cable, and the flashlight. Briefly going over some specs, this comes in 3 color options: stealth gray, navy blue, and olive green, which I have. The body is made of O aluminum, beam distance of 320 meters, 2500 lumens, light intensity of 26,000 candela, dual switch, IPX8 rating. It has 6 modes: moonlight, low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe. Depending on the mode, it can have a runtime of 55 days to 2.5 minutes. Taking a look at the flashlight, feels solid and well built and has a textured grip all around. You also have the belt clip on the side. You have the branding etched in on the front, and the back has a tail switch along with the magnetic charging base. You also have a side button with LED indicators for the battery and the brightness. The front, you can see the LED bulb along with the proximity sensor on the top, which dims the light if objects are too close. To charge the flashlight, it comes with the MCC3 USB magnetic charging cable, and it just attaches on the back like so. Accessing the battery is a matter of just unscrewing the rear cap. This uses a 21,700 type battery, 5,000 milliamp hour, 3.6 volt. Taking some rough measurements, it is about 5.6 inches in length, and it weighs in at roughly 179 grams. Turning on the flashlight, you can use a tail switch or the side switch. A half press of the tail switch will put it in the medium mode, and a hard press will activate the turbo mode. Using the side switch, you have low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe. And you also have the moonlight, which is the very low setting. Okay, this is on the low setting, medium, high, and turbo. And this has the strobe feature. I'm going to activate it. Again, this is the turbo setting. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.